We're making guacamole, whatever you call it. It's delicious. Let's get cooking. Carefully cut your avocado around the pit. Hope that it's good. Bam! Perfect avocado. Spoon it into the bowl. My secret to the best guacamole ever? A whisk. Take the whisk and smash the crap out of it. And that's the best way to get the best texture. 2 cloves garlic. And chop it up. Into the bowl. Chop up a tomato. Into the bowl. Half a red onion chop. Into the bowl. My secret to guacamole? Whoa, a mango. Pop it open. Into the same bowl. Some cilantro bay action. Diced jalapeno. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Or lime, but I only had a lemon. Season with freshly cracked pepper. And you already know a whole lot of salt bay action. Mix it all up until fully combined. Pick some up with the homemade chip. Wow, they're so delicious. You guys have got to try this. We got the heat from the jalapeno, the sweetness from the mango, and the tomato, the zing from the onion. It is so delicious. Click the plus button for more recipes.